Alright, y'all, so we got my truck right here. Working on some wheel lights right here. And look what just pulled up out here. Y'all already know what just pulled up. Finally. After how long, Nick?
Almost 2 months.
Nah, it's about 3.
Yeah, about 3 months.
Right. How you doing today?
Actually, glad it's Friday.
Yes, sir.
By UPS. I thought that motherfucker was big as hell.
He must have
It's just on. Yeah, it's heavy.
What's going on?
That silver truck up there in the front. Yes, sir. Thank you.
James G.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Thank you. Yeah, have a good one. Shout out Extreme for his wheels. Alright, we're gonna take this car number out of here. I don't know if it's the front or the back. It's the back right here. I want to see that front one.
What you wanted, bro?
Hey, this more pressure, boy. This more clean for real.
It's close to the darn color.
Yeah, it is. It's almost same color.
It's just a little darker.
Yeah, that thing look good for real. Well,
This might be one dead end.
I appreciate it. Y'all see it.
Same color as the truck, bro. You in there?
Yeah, Mcgaughys. I'm gonna go through the rest of this stuff in just a minute. I like it though. But I'm about to get this took out and see everything in it, and then. Alright guys, so this is the lift that I have been waiting on for a good 2 to 3 months.
Let's stop playing. This going on his daddy truck.
Yeah, it's going on that truck. It's actually my dad's lift. So yeah, I was just kidding. This isn't my lift, so I'm just kidding, y'all. Don't let Nick lie to y'all. This is going on my truck. This 7 to 9 inch Mcgaughys is going on my truck. I just put the car numbers back up. I'm gonna actually take everything out later and show y'all.
We really gonna stack it. It's gonna be stacked on that rough.
Yeah, it's gonna be stacked on the rough country lift. So
we gonna be sitting around
9 on top of 3.5.
So what?
And I might put a level on there. So we're gonna be at like what? That's 12.
14.
With a 2-inch level, 14. Yeah, you know 14, something
14,
light.
And we gonna be at 2 in the back.
I swear.
We gonna have nothing.
Toot it up, boy. Alright, here go everything else right here. And the spindles or whatever. U-bolts and man, I don't even know why I'm looking at all this stuff. Really, I'm not even gonna be putting this lift on. Somebody else putting this lift on for me, so yeah. I hope everything's right.
If it don't,
Cause if it ain't,
we gotta sue.
man, I don't know. But yeah,
Like I know what I'm doing.
Zeus will be lifted very soon, y'all. Be patient. I told y'all big things was coming. Big things is here. Now, Nick, you next. We waiting on you. Yeah. So, yeah, we finna try to get this put on before scraping. Today is June what? The 5th? I think today the 5th. Oh, today is the 4th. So I got 20 days.
Yeah, 20 days.
20 days. And I don't even have my rock lights on. I don't have my wheels on. I don't have my lift on. Bruh. You think we could do it?
I ain't gotta do it. They gotta do it. They do.
Alright, so yeah, they're gonna get this done. I'm pretty sure they're gonna get this done. So yeah, later I'm gonna pull it out and show y'all. So
Yeah, y'all. I ain't driving my truck down there. I'm riding with James.
Either later or tomorrow. I don't know. I got a lot of stuff to do today. See, y'all see I got on these dirty clothes. I went to work this morning, got off, and went and dropped off a bouncer, so.
But for real though.
Yeah.
If we find somebody down there scraping, I know I'm probably gonna have a lift before then. So if y'all got a setup down there, I'm gonna buy it from y'all. Now, we could talk about 3K, something like this. You got some nice setup and good tread. But if you come over here talking crazy about some snowflakes, y'all can get you walking. She just looking crazy.
So yeah, man. Time to get this lift put on. Time to get my wheels put on. Yeah, like I told y'all, I was gonna show y'all this lift, parts of the lift. I'm not gonna show y'all the whole thing because I just don't feel like showing y'all the whole thing. Really the parts that I'm not gonna show y'all are the U-bolts, the lift spindles, blocks, because I have different size blocks that I'm actually gonna put in the back. Not gonna say right now what I'm gonna do, but y'all will see it. I'll give y'all the specs on it once I give y'all another walk around. But I'm just about to open this up and show y'all a few things real quick. Just show y'all a few parts of the lift. Some of these parts I don't know what they call, so I'm just guess. So first off, what I'm gonna show is the struts, the adjustable Mcgaughys struts. So this is the packaging come in, of course. This is the 7 to 9 Mcgaughys strut right here. And this is how you adjust the height, 9 inches, 7 inches, 8 inches. Got the little notches right there. This is the rear shock right here. I love how everything is powder coated silver. It's gonna match my truck. It's a little bit off from my truck's color, but it's close enough. So yeah, and of course, to me, what is the best part about this lift, I already showed y'all, but I'm gonna show y'all again. Powder coated the silver. The Mcgaughys 7-inch, true 7-inch front cross member. So yeah, I really love this cross member. This is mainly part of the reason why I wanted this kit, because of how big this cross member was. Yeah, I'm gonna sit this down. This thing is heavy. Here's a skid plate. Nice skid plate. Let's see. That's pretty much gonna be it for the first box. Yeah, that's pretty much gonna be it for the first box. Now going back to the second box, the actual third box I don't have out here right now. It was just U-bolts and the lift spindle. So it's major, but it's not anything that you guys don't know what it looks like. Here are all the bolts and everything for the kit. So yeah, that's that. Of course, I think I said I wasn't going to show you guys, but here's a 7-inch block, but it will not be going in. This is a 7 to 9 kit, so it comes with the 7-inch block. If you're going with 9, you're going to want to get the adder leaf so you don't have any squat, but that's not for me. Not sure what this is. It's probably something for a differential drop I won't need. These are for the cross members, I know that much. These are for the cross members. Nice color and everything. Yeah, that's really the main parts of everything. Came well packaged. I did like that. And we're gonna see the tie rod ends right here. Actually haven't taken these out, so this is my first time really opening these as well. These are the tie rod ends that they sent. Let's see. I'm not gonna take them out of the package, but yeah, I like that. These are gonna have to be lubed. And this is some type of spacer, not sure what this is. I really don't think, oh, this is for 4-wheel drive. Yeah, this is for 4-wheel drive, I'm pretty sure. So I won't need these, but yeah, if you have 4-wheel drive, these come with that. And I'm not sure what the rest of this is, but excited to get it put on. Y'all know, y'all will be the first to see. Well, actually my social medias will be the first to see, so if y'all want to see it first, make sure y'all following my social medias at the end of this video on the outro. All my social medias on there. I'll most likely be posting my truck first on my Zeus account, my Instagram account. So if you guys aren't following that, make sure you guys go follow that. It's in the description. It'll be at the outro. Yeah, go follow my social media so you guys can see this thing. I'm excited. It's 2 weeks, exactly 2 weeks before Scrapin. What's today? What's today? June 10th. June 10th. So it's 2 weeks exactly before Scrapin. I don't even have this on my truck. So yeah. Oh, should I show them the wheel? Oh no. I might wait. No, I think they should wait.
You can wait.
Yeah, I'm gonna wait.
Yeah,
I'm gonna just wait. I'm gonna wait. Y'all stay tuned for the second video. If y'all are not subscribed to my channel, make sure you guys subscribe to my channel for this next video. I will be revealing what wheels will be going with this kit on my truck. So make sure you guys subscribe, because I will be dropping that video right after I drop this one. So yeah, that's really all that I have for this video. Excited to have this thing finally in. Mcgaughys took forever, man. This thing will not stop. Let me just sit it right here. Yeah, Mcgaughys took forever, but make sure you guys stay tuned, because I think y'all will really like these wheels. I like these wheels, but yeah, I'm gonna give y'all a little tease. Amp tires. So yeah, but make sure you guys are subscribed, following my channel, my social medias and everything. But that's all I have for this video. I'm not gonna say it this time.